Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and I love sharing little glimpses of my life and my passion for traveling with you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I just want to take a moment to reflect before we start the year 2026 and before showing you my life here in Manila Diaries. As I look back on last year's adventures, I can see how much I've grown and how many memories I've collected along the way, from exploring historic places like Intramuros and other must-visit spots in Manila, to stepping out of my comfort zone and eating out alone. Each experience taught me something new about myself. Napakasimple lang ng mga moments na to pero sobrang meaningful. Tinuruan nila ako maging brave, ma-enjoy ang sarili kong company, at pahalagahan ang bawat journey, maliit man o malaki. Every place I visited and every meal I enjoyed became part of my story. And now, as I start this new year, I carry all these experiences with me, ready for new adventures, new lessons, and new dreams. So today, I'll be sharing with you another life here in Manila Diaries. Ang ganda ng buwan, sobrang liwanag, just like when I was still in the province. Ngayon na nandito na ako sa city, sobrang busy na, puro trabaho, deadlines, at pagod. Minsan, nakakalimutan na magpahinga, pero seeing this tonight, parang sinasabi niya sa akin, okay lang mapagod, basta wag susuko. Here I am, dining at Popeyes for the first time. Dahil na-curious ako kung ano ba ang lasa ng food nila at kung pasok ba sa budget ko. Medyo pricey lang sila compared to other fast food chains and medyo konti lang din yung mga food options nila. I can say na hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Kayo ba?
Dito pala ako ngayon sa BGC High Street at may pupuntahan ako. Stay tuned. Let's go!
So, as always, dito ulit tayo sa BGC. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo ang restaurant ni Marvin Agustin na Gucci, as recognized as the Michelin Guide. So, narating din natin ang restaurant na Gucci after ng mahabang lakaran. Kakain sana ako dito pero sarado pala sila. Just kidding. Mag-iikot na lang muna tayo dito at masarap dito tumambay kasi tahimik at madaming mga restaurants. Pili lang kayo. And if you are on a budget like me, no worries dahil may Lawson dito. So, ito pala yung menu nila guys. Grabe, ang mahal ng mga meal prices nila. Pero kung gusto nyong i-try, go na kayo. Madami silang food choices. May oysters, seafoods, veggies, chicken, beef, noodles, at syempre, dessert. Not sure lang ha if their prices are still the same. Alam niyo ba na pwede kayong pumunta ng market from BGC? Yes, pwede lang lakarin. Actually, recently ko lang din to nalaman. So, naglakad lang ako from BGC to market kasi may gusto akong bisitahin na place. Actually, matagal ko na talagang planong pumunta dito and ngayon lang talaga nagkaroon ng time. So, from BGC, pupunta na tayo ng market. Mga 10 to 15 minutes na lakaran. And we're finally here sa Korean convenience store.
Good morning, 잠은 잘 잤니?
Grabe, sobrang dami talaga choices ng instant noodles dito. Medyo nakakalito sa dami, pero no worries kasi may pictures naman each noodles para may idea ka kung ano ang dapat mong i-expect sa itsura at lasa. Ang napili ko ay Samyang Carbonara, super recommended. Then for side dish, kimchi and radish. Tapos, kumuha din ako ng rice cake at strawberry milk. So, konti lang ang nilagay ko na spicy dito sa noodles para hindi masyadong maanghang. Ang ganda kumain dito kasi parang nasa Korea ka rin. May pa K-pop music playing sa background. Yung radish, grabe, ang strong ng lasa, parang may ginger, so medyo maanghang din. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for spending your time with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!